So here we have a very interesting sum. Alright, so here we have the same base but the powers are different. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, and as I go ahead you'll understand. Okay, so x to the power, okay, a square, but b and c has got -1, which means it will go to sit, okay, as reciprocal below a square. So x a square upon b by c. The same thing happens here. We have x, okay, we have b square as the numerator, and we have a and c sitting below. Correct? X here, c square upon a and b. Alright, so we have this condition a plus b plus c equals to 0, which we will be using it at some point. Alright, so now because we have the bases same, which means we have to add up the powers. Alright, therefore we write, okay, as x a square bc plus b square ac plus c square ab. Alright, so having written this, we need to simplify this whole thing, which means we have to find out the LCM of BC, AC and AB. Got it? Therefore, we have x here, okay, and ABC is the LCM, and since BC is here, A is missing, so we write a cube. Similarly, we have b cube here and c cube here. Correct? So does this remind you of some identity? I'm sure you are reminded of an identity. So because we have a plus b plus c equals to 0, it means that the entire right hand side would turn into 0. As a result, we'll be left with a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. Okay, so therefore we substitute over here 3abc. Alright, so if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc. We shall do it, okay, the same here. Alright, so here we need to write 3abc, and below we have abc and x is here. Remember, this is the power of x. So ABC gets cancelled, and therefore I am left with only 3. Okay, and this is precisely the answer. Alright, so having simplified this entire thing, I get x cube as my answer. Alright, thank you guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.